Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear your sticker searches on Snapchat. Clearing your sticker searches helps keep your app organized and ensures your recent searches remain private. So let's get started on how to clear your sticker searches on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the clear data option. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear sticker searches option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear the sticker searches. Simply tap on the clear option and confirm your choice. And this is how you can clear your sticker searches on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.